Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update ready for this December the 26th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a good Friday out there so far. Hope everybody has a great Friday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the storm system here across the lower 48. And we're going to start off with this system here across the northeast, bringing lots of snow and wintry precipitation across Pennsylvania, the New York State, New Hampshire, Vermont, Maine, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Boston area, New York City, you're included, Long Island. All that activity will continue to push away from the region. We got more atmospheric moisture moving into the Pacific Southwest, over here around the Baja region of California, over to Arizona, Southern California, and then got scattered activity over here across areas of Kansas, Nebraska, straight up toward Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, South Canada region, through portions of South Dakota, North Dakota, and portions of Minnesota and Iowa region as well, as that system continues to push east across the country. And you can still see the high pressure ridge pretty much still parked over the southeastern U.S. and bringing the quite warm conditions to the forecast area all the way through early next week. Then a cool down coming as a strong cold front moves across the area and drop temperatures well down into the 30s, 40s, and 50s across the southeastern U.S. And then teens and 20s and some near zero temperature further to the north. Alrighty, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. And we're going to start off with your Saturday forecast. This is your weekend outlook, so take a look at your Saturday outlook. We got mixed precipitation up here around Connecticut, Rhode Island to New Jersey, Delaware, and also the Atlantic coastal waters. A little bit of shower activity across portions of eastern Tennessee, western North Carolina, a little bit along the panhandle of Florida. Shower activity down toward portions of southern and southwestern areas of Arizona and New Mexico, northern Mexico, a little bit along the coastal areas of California. Thunderstorms and showers from Oklahoma to Missouri to Illinois to Indiana, also Ohio, portion of Michigan and Wisconsin. Got some freezing rain possible up here in Michigan, northern areas of Michigan, also Minnesota, and one little pocket over in Montana. We got mixed precipitation stretching from Ohio through the Lake Erie, Lake Superior, Michigan, Wisconsin, through Minnesota to the Dakotas, Nebraska, over toward Montana, Colorado, New Mexico, Utah, Arizona, southern Nevada. Also a little bit in southwestern areas of California, northern California to Washington, Oregon State. Got snow flying there as well across Washington, Oregon, Nevada, also in the portion of Colorado, portion of Utah, also Wyoming, Montana. Got some heavy snow over portion of Montana, Idaho, Oregon, Utah, Wyoming, and Colorado regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Saturday. Alright, let's try to move on to your Sunday forecast now. We're going to take a look at it, and it should roll out something like this here. Okay, still coming up, but it should roll out here in just a few minutes. We'll take a look at it. Alright, we got a big area of freezing rain up here possible from Maine to, like I said, New Hampshire, Vermont, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Pennsylvania, New York State, Lake Erie, Lake Superior, northern Michigan. Mixed precipitation there as well, stretching from Lake Superior to Wisconsin to Ohio to Indiana, Kentucky, also Tennessee, Arkansas to portion of Oklahoma, also into Kansas, portion of Nebraska, Iowa, Wisconsin, Minnesota. You're included. Got shower activity from portions of D.C., Delaware, Atlantic coastal water around Rhode Island, stretching down in West Virginia, Western Virginia areas, and also Western North Carolina, Eastern Tennessee, Eastern Kentucky, and also North Georgia. Thunderstorms and showers from areas of Alabama to portion of Northwest Georgia, through Mississippi, Arkansas to Eastern Texas, Louisiana, portion of the Northern Gulf. Got mixed precipitation portion of New Mexico, Arizona, and then snow showers flying from areas of New Mexico to Colorado, Utah, Wyoming to Nebraska, to the Dakotas, and Minnesota. Elsewhere, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Sunday. Alright, let's move on to your current watches, warning, advisory map you're locating across the nation. Okay, we got winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings that affect portions of New Hampshire, Massachusetts, also over toward Connecticut, New York State, Also in the portion of Pennsylvania, you got some ice storm warnings there as well, stretching down toward northern D.C., Delaware area. We've got some dense fog advisory for the portion of the Panhandle, southern Alabama. Also areas of Mississippi, Louisiana, and the coastal waters. More dense fog advisories in the portion of Minnesota, Iowa, and also North Dakota. Winter storm warnings up here in portion of Minnesota, northern Michigan. Winter weather advisory is also in effect for portion of Minnesota, eastern North Dakota. Then more winter storms warnings and winter weather advisories portion of Colorado, Utah, northern areas of Arizona, northern areas of New Mexico, stretching into Wyoming, come Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State. Winter storm warnings over Northern California, California mountains. You got some flash flood watches on the coastal areas there as well, and also some flood advisories inland in northern California. Alrighty, got a little bit of high wind warnings over a couple counties there in areas of Wyoming. Small craft advisory, gale warning from Washington State to Southern California, and then again from the Outer Banks of North Carolina up towards the Boston, Massachusetts area. Southern Hawaii and Chain Island got some small craft advisory. North side look good. Western, southwestern areas of Alaska got some freeze and spray warnings, blizzard warnings, storm warnings, and winters, and some small craft advisories there as well. Alright, we got a little bit of severe weather to talk about. This should be for day number 3. We got some marginal risk from Little Rock to Springfield to Jackson, Mississippi, up toward Columbus, Ohio, Fort Wayne, Indiana. A general thunderstorm from Corpus Christi to Detroit, Michigan. Alright, the probability looks like this: 5%. From Little Rock to Fort Wayne and Columbus, Ohio. Alright, here's a look at the rainfall totals over the next 7 days. You can see dry across the southeast, down into Florida. You got some precipitation, heavy precipitation over areas of the Gulf, also the Atlantic coastal water, stretching from the Illinois region all the way to Maine, New Brunswick, Newfoundland, Ottawa, Toronto, Canada, Lake Superior, Lake Erie, Michigan, Wisconsin, and also northwestern areas of Michigan. And then again over here in portion of Mexico to New Mexico to Arizona, Colorado, California, and also up towards southwestern Canada. Elsewhere looks pretty quiet with no precipitation to maybe a tenth to maybe a quarter of an inch in spots. Alrighty, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Friday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.